my channel. So in today's video I have an unboxing video for you guys, and it's going to be a subscription box unboxing. So I recently got this subscription box by Vanity Cask. So Vanity Cask is a subscription box website where basically they give you themed products, a number of products, like maybe 5 to 6 products every month, and you know, it's based on a theme. So since February was the month of Valentine's and you know, love and all those stuff, so I got a Valentine's edition. So obviously Valentine's Day has passed and this is what I have, and I still haven't opened it. So yeah, my address is on the other side, so I want to show it to you guys, but this is what the box looks like. So it's a pretty decent sized box. I have no idea what's inside, and before I get started, I just want to let you know that yes, I was sent this by Vanity Cask, but all the opinions are obviously going to be on my own. I have no idea what to expect from this bag, and also this is my first subscription box because I've never ordered one myself. So yeah, I'm actually very excited. Today has been super hectic for me, and I can't wait to just sit down and just film this video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started. So I'm just going to quickly open this up. So there we go. So this one is supposed to be the Valentine's edition, like I said. So okay, I see a cardboard box and it says Vanity Cask over there. So I'm just going to rip this open. I'm actually very excited because I have no idea what to expect inside. Like, it's Valentine's edition, what kind of products they can possibly give. Also, if you guys are interested in checking out Vanity Cask yourself, then I will leave the website links in the description box below. I think I got it. Okay, so let's just open it up. Ooh, okay, so basically the cardboard box is just a cover, and then there is another box inside. So, get out! Why is it not coming out? I think I'm gonna break this box before I even get to see what's inside.
20 minutes later.
I finally got it out. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. And I'm just going to take it out of the bubble wrap. Ta-da! Okay, oh my god, I really love the box. I think I'm going to keep my, you know, some makeup products or like something inside it. I'm definitely going to use this box because it is so cute. Ta-da! Okay, I see some gift vouchers on top, which is always great because you don't know when you might need some. So we're going to take this off. And okay, so the first one is a gift voucher. It's a 20% off on the entire Shea product. So it's some brand called Shea.in. I think it's like some skincare range. Then we have a 150 rupees off on My Glam. So I just recently came to know that My Glam is a new makeup brand, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a new makeup brand, and it's this new makeup brand scratched in Europe or something. So 150 off. So if I do plan on buying something, then I guess that'll come in handy. So before I open this one, I am really loving the pink satin bag, but before I go through that, I'm just going to look at this little booklet that they've given. So this is the Vanity Cask Valentine's edition. That's very cute. And inside, okay, so they've written what's inside, so that's nice. Okay, so basically these are all the products that's going to be inside. It just reminds me of Victoria's Secret. Like, anyone else is getting this vibe because it's just really giving me some serious major Victoria's Secret vibes, and I'm so excited to open. Okay, let's just open. Okay. I'm definitely going to use this to store jewelry because I really love storing jewelry in these. So all the products are inside. I can't wait. Okay, so first we're going to open the My Glam one. So this is the My Glam 2 of your kind gel finish nail polishes, long lasting nail enamel duo. I love gel polishes because they just make your nails like really shiny. The nail polishes are super shiny, so I absolutely love that. These are the colors that I got. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys a close-up, and please ignore my nails, they're a little chipped. I hope you guys can see. So it's a nice peachy color over here, and then there's a nice coral color, almost similar to what I'm wearing now, but this is going to be a gel finish, so I'm very excited to try it out. And as you guys can see, let me just quickly pop it out. So as you guys can see, they are basically in the same cover, like the cap part is the same for two. So it comes out like this, and you can just take it out like that. Okay, so I just noticed that the peachy color over here on the left side has a slight shine to it. It has a very subtle glitter to it, like a sophisticated glitter, you know, not the chunky kind of glitter, which is really nice. I can't wait because I don't have any peachy color like this. I'm so excited to try that out. Next, we've got the two masks, and you guys know how much I love using face mask sheets and all those things every week. So this one is by Mond's Sub, and this one is facial mask sheets. So this, I guess these are sheets inside. They feel like they're sheets. Yeah, okay. The diagram description over here does look like sheets. So this one is the Extreme Firming and Lifting Beauty Facial Mask, and this one is the Pure Rejuvenating and Renewing Beauty Facial Mask. So I'm very excited to try these because, you know, you can never go wrong with having too many facial mask sheets, and I'm very excited. And if you guys actually want a quick review on any of the products, then do let me know. Okay, next we have, what brand is this? Okay, so this is the Nature's Co. I know Nature's Co products are really good. Again, it's one of those brands, like the name suggests, they are all natural, organic products that we use. So this is a watermelon body butter, and it is so pink, guys. Can you see? The smell. Like, just going to put some body butter on the back of my hand. Can you guys see? It is so pink. You know what it smells like? It doesn't smell like fresh fruit watermelon, but it smells like watermelon candy. You know that those lozenge that you get, the watermelon flavored ones, like the lollipop, what? Jolly Rancher watermelon? That's exactly how this one smells like, and it smells really good. For me, I never really thought of ever ordering subscription boxes because I always used to think that, you know, like half the products are going to be, you know, not something that I'm going to like, etc. But you know what? This is actually changing my mind. I don't know if I will get another subscription box, but I'm really enjoying my Vanity Cask one. So next we have the Neem Caffeine Glow Gel with aloe vera. So basically it's an aloe vera gel, and that's what I'm assuming because as you guys can see, it's all green, and I can see that it's a very gel-like consistency. Obviously, aloe vera is really good for our skin. So, and this is actually not my first time trying McAfee products because I was actually sent McAfee products 3-4 months back, and I did get to try some of their products, which I have the Insta review on my Instagram. I have used their products, like some of my family members have used the products that were sent to me, and everyone just really loves the product, and I'm actually very excited about it because I didn't really have any aloe vera gel at home, and I'm so glad I have it. There's only one more product left and I'm kind of sad, but yeah. Okay, so the last product that we have is by Votra, and it's their Advanced Gel Exfoliant. So I don't know how are we supposed to use it. Enriched with carrier oils and essential oils that brightens up lackluster skin. This water-based gel scrub is fortified with effective granules that gently exfoliate dull skin, cells and blackheads, while natural antioxidants help stimulate. Okay, so basically it's an exfoliant, and it's a scrub-based exfoliant, but it's a water-based scrub, so I don't know what that means. Okay, I hope you guys can see. You can see the tiny scrub particles, but it says that it's going to be a very gentle scrub. Those are all the products, those are all the lovely products that I got from Vanity Cask, and I'm actually genuinely very pleased with all the things I got. And this entire box costed around 999, which I don't think is bad at all because you get 7 products for 999, and they're pretty decent size because just look at the size. That's almost full size, I would say. If I really like some of the products, then I will definitely put it up on my Insta stories, so don't forget to check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I absolutely loved it, and also I just want to let you guys know that they did send me the box, but I was never really asked to make this video. But I just thought it would be really nice, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more videos like these, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!